Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.